Well, time to taste.
Welcome back to Gino's Creative Cooking. If you are new here, welcome. We're gonna have a good time. And let's not forget to subscribe and press the like button. We're gonna be making some tuna filling today. I call it tuna filling. Some people might call it tuna salad, right? Yeah, look how delicious it looks. We're gonna need some bacon. I started by browning the bacon. And I get the scallions. I like using scallions also because of color to it. Just cut them. Then you start by taking the pan and putting some olive oil in it, heating it up, and then putting the scallions and the tomatoes there. We're gonna like cook them for a bit, stir them a bit, and now it's time to put some spices. I got some basil there. Sometimes I use fresh basil if I have it. Next, I'm going to be putting some pepper mix. I like making those peppers. I prepare them on it. They're always ready because I don't like cutting stuff like a minute. This also cuts some time. Mixed out different peppers, some habanero. If you see me blending them there, I'll list them, but I also have a video separate where you can watch it. Stir everything together. You can see, wow, it looks delicious. So easy. I didn't have to start cutting peppers and everything. So after that, I'm putting the tuna there. Just make sure you drain off the water from the tuna. That's it. I like using albacore, but you can use any tuna of your choice. This is the one that I like. And of course, I love using mustard. I use the mustard in chicken when I'm marinating chicken. Oh yeah, some good flavor there. If you don't have mustard, you can skip that, but it's some good stuff. You can see now everything is all mixed up, looking good. Ready to enjoy our lunch. That's some big lunch there, I tell you, it will fill you up. Uh-huh. And that bacon, I use some turkey bacon.
Now we gotta put some cheese.
While you're doing this, while you're still watching, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to comment. Comment is very important to my channel.
Isn't that delicious?
Yeah.
Looking good.
Think we're about ready to eat now.
And well, time to taste.
Doing some tasting, babe. Oh, love it. Yes. Yeah. Yes. Oh, yeah. Gino's Creative Cooking.
This is
Don't
delicious.
forget to comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.